temperature setting. Please open the control box door, then locate the main board. You will find 4 hotkey buttons on the main board. Press and hold the 4th button until you hear beep. Please observe the blue screen and perform parallel operations. Please first press 6 to enter advanced settings, and then press 4 to enter the temperature setting menu. Please set the target temperature and confirm with the number key. Note that normally the temperature has been set when the machine leaves the factory. There is no need to reset the temperature unless the temperature is abnormal. The temperature setting is complete.